Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set lock in Finch app. Finch is your personal companion app that lets you nurture a virtual pet while helping you track daily habits, reflection and mood, and it is a fun interactive way to stay mindful and organized. And today we're going to show how to keep your Finch account secure by setting a lock in the app. So first, begin with opening your Finch app on your device and ensure that you are logged into your account. And once you reach into this dashboard of the Finch, in the top left we can see there's a three-lined icon. What you have to do is simply tap on the three-lined icon. And once you reach into this interface, scroll a bit down until you find the preferences. In the account section, there's a preferences just below the profile. Tap on the preference. Over here, scroll a bit down, and over here under the app setting, we can see there's an app lock. What you can do is simply toggle on this app lock, and here it will ask you to enter your passcode for the Finch, and after that the app is logged. And once your lock is set, confirm your selection. From now on, Finch will prompt you for the authentication each time you open the app, keeping your account secure for your virtual pet safe. And that is it. You have successfully secured your Finch app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.